Okay, so you guys wanted to know more about Deepseek, and honestly, what we found is like something out of a spy movie. It's AI, it's international intrigue, it's got it all. So strap in, because this deep dive is going to get kind of wild. You sent us some pretty interesting articles about this Chinese AI company that's been, well, they're definitely shaking things up.
Yeah, they really are. DeepSeek has been making headlines, like big headlines, for building AI models that are surprisingly advanced. And get this, they're offering them for like a tenth of the price of what you'd see from, say, OpenAI.
Wow, okay, that's got to be causing some waves, right? Silicon Valley is not exactly known for taking a backseat in tech.
Right. It's a total disruption. You got to think, suddenly you've got smaller companies, even startups that can access top-tier AI that was like only in the realm of tech giants before. It changes everything.
But wait, one of the articles we got used some pretty strong language. I'm talking suspects, evidence, even IP theft thrown around. What exactly is going on here? What did DeepSeek do?
Well, OpenAI, they're the folks behind ChatGPT, right? They're claiming that DeepSeek may have taken a bit of a shortcut in how they develop their models. They're pointing fingers at a technique called distillation. It's basically where you train your AI on the output of another AI, one that already exists.
So, like cheating off someone else's test, but in the world of AI.
Yeah, kind of like that. Imagine a master chef, right, who's teaching a student to make their signature dish. The student learns by recreating it, not by figuring out the recipe from scratch. That's sort of what DeepSeek might be doing, except instead of ingredients, it's algorithms and data sets.
Okay, but hold on. Isn't that kind of what OpenAI did with their models too? Didn't they use tons of data from the internet to train GPT? Where's the line here?
Oh, you've hit on the core of the issue there. That's exactly where the controversy lies. OpenAI is basically saying DeepSeek went a step further. They trained their models specifically on outputs from OpenAI's models, not just on public data.
So the big question is, are DeepSeek's actions like fair use, or is this straight up stealing? And how do we even figure that out with AI?
That's the million-dollar question, right? This case could totally set a precedent for the entire AI industry. Right now, it's a legal and ethical gray area for sure.
And get this, it's not just a company versus company fight anymore. One article mentioned the U.S. government stepping in.
Right, and that's where it gets really interesting. OpenAI is, from what we've heard, working with the US government on this. So that kind of hints that this could blow up into an international incident, especially considering how tense things already are between the US and China.
Whoa, okay. So instead of tariffs and trade wars, we're looking at AI models and algorithms as the battleground. What's next?
Well, OpenAI and Microsoft, they're doing their own investigations. And whatever they find could seriously impact the whole tech world. I mean, this whole situation shows that the AI landscape is shifting. We're moving away from Silicon Valley calling all the shots. Companies like DeepSeek are, like, legitimate contenders now.
This is way bigger than just one company then, huh? So what does this mean for the future of AI?
Good question. This whole case raises some fundamental questions. Who gets to control AI? How do we even develop it ethically? Who benefits from it? I mean, will it stay in the hands of a few powerful companies, or will we see things become more, I don't know, distributed?
Man, there is so much to think about, and I bet our listeners have some thoughts too. What stands out to you all about this DeepSeek situation? Are they the underdog fighting the big bad Silicon Valley? Or are they playing dirty? Let us know what you think. This is just the beginning of what's going to be a wild ride in the world of AI, and we can't wait to see what happens next.